Okay, now we often get this question, what do we need to watch out for when we are washing an electric vehicle? So today we are going to demonstrate that with the Audi e-tron GT. So that's it. EVs require the same kind of care to be washed and cleaned, just like any regular combustion engine vehicle. Why? Because EVs, at the end of the day, are meant to go through the same kind of driving conditions that your traditional combustion engine car has to go through. It has to be driven through rain, it has to be driven through harsh roads, through dirt. So at the end of the day, you drive an EV no differently than you would drive a regular combustion engine car. So you wash an EV similarly, no different than you would wash a regular combustion engine car. Okay, there's actually one difference. I can't upsell engine wash to EV owners.